It's important for you to understand and know the truths about self-improvement. Stay tuned. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, we lead, we inspire. Last time we got together, we were going over an article called 10 Inconvenient Truths About Life Most Self-Help Gurus Won't Admit, but I Will. It was written by a gentleman named Awadiji Awasika. Big shout out to him. We went over the first 5 last time. Let's pick it up right where we left it off with 5 more. And if you haven't seen the first video, I'd recommend you go back and look at it, but you'll still get a ton of stuff just by watching this one. So let's go. All right, first point. Habits don't cause success. Articles titled something like "The 5 Habits Elon Musk Uses to Make Billions" fail to miss the fundamental reason why Elon Musk is successful. Yes, his habits help him become successful, but the guy is also extremely intelligent, has an insane level of work ethic, and a high appetite for risk. You can develop good habits to lead to the ends that you want in your life without falling for the hype that it will cause you to have certain outcomes. I have many of the same habits as billionaires. I read, journal, meditate, write down my goals, and so on. I adopted the habits because they're habits to have, period, not because I thought they'd make me a billionaire. Once again, and I'm meandering from the article here, it's important to have good habits. Habits define you. They help you get where you want to go. So take a look at the habits that you're embracing right now, and if they're not getting where you want to go, be in a position to discard some and add others. Next point from the article. Politics matter, but only to a point. I've written several articles saying that politics doesn't matter at all. Nobody's coming to save you, and that you should avoid watching the news altogether. I've changed my mind on that. Politics does matter. Laws affect your ability to improve your life. You should be informed and civically engaged. But to a point. Once again, meandering from the article. I never watched the news, but when this COVID-19 thing, this pandemic hit, it's kind of important to know what's going on. But when, they're talking about all the people that are getting shot in drive-bys in Chicago, I'm sorry that's happening, but I can't upset my mindset with something I can't control anyway. All right, let's get back to the article. I wrote those articles because I didn't want you to look at politicians as saviors and look at politics like some holy war. Vote in your interest and in the interest of the common good, but exhaust your own resources as well. No politician can save you, nor can politics give you all of what you truly want, mainly because the sense of meaning that comes from pursuing your purpose. Purpose is only a piece of the puzzle. Speaking of purpose, there's this idea in self-improvement that finding your purpose, ultimate purpose, will fix everything in your life. It won't. Also, gurus will tell you that if you just search hard enough, you'll find that specific purpose. Also incorrect. The truth? Finding a purpose won't fix your entire life per se, but it will make your life better. Finding something you care about doing is important, even if it's as important as some make it seem, even if it isn't as important as some make it seem. Also, you don't have one sole purpose. You have many potential purposes. You'll feel passionate by getting good at something you enjoy, not by waiting for passion to fall in your lap. Self-improvement writers have overstated purpose, but you should still aim to live a purpose-filled life, whatever that means to you. There is no one-size-fits-all answer to success. Excuse me. I can't tell you exactly how to fix your life. I don't know you. No matter how many different books you read, podcasts you listen to, or courses you take, you can only map those insights into your personal experiences. And as I said earlier, results may vary. But there are patterns. There are solid pieces of advice that ring true across time. You can rely on resources to help you improve. Just take the specifics out of your head for a while and do the work. I can't guarantee you millions, but I can show you profitable skills that will make you more money over time. I can't promise to fix your psychological issues and give you a brand new mindset in X number of days, weeks, months, or years, but I can give you insights that you can use to totally reinvent yourself, just as I did. Nobody can predict the future, but you can personally put yourself in a position to handle whatever comes in your future. Self-improvement is like poker. You can play a bad hand and win, or play a good hand and lose. Luck plays a role in the game, but there are strategies you can use to win more often. And seasoned players do tend to end up at the final table. So don't throw the baby out with the bathwater. We're just as insecure as you are. I'm speaking, the author speaking of self-help gurus. I started studying self-improvement and writing about it because I wanted to improve myself first. I'd often write articles about problems I was dealing with. Sometimes I struggle to follow my own advice. So why listen to me or any other flawed self-improvement writer who struggles with different aspects of their own lives? Because the lessons are still valuable. Even though I struggle sometimes, I'm still much more productive, content, and wise because of self-improvement. Advice isn't bad because it's hard to follow. It's good because it's hard to follow. Every time I sit down to write, I try to remember just how hard it was for me to make these changes. Knowing that I try to write to you from a place of encouragement, but also from a place of agitation. I know that self-improvement is tough, and I know you feel jaded by it sometimes, but I also know that you still want to get better. That's the deep truth when it comes to this industry. All the people who leave negative comments on self-improvement points initially read them because they wanted to be helped. Stay skeptical and discerning, but also be open to getting advice that seems to come from the right place. You can tell when someone is sincere and when they aren't. Use your judgment and take the insights that resonate with you. I get it. Life is inherently difficult, but you still have to live your life. You're still going to have those thoughts in the back of your mind about things you really want to do. That voice never goes away. So listen to it. Tread carefully, sure, but still move forward. I love that article. Once again, big shout out to Ayudeji Awosika. And next time we get together, we're going to talk about something with self-improvement. And until that time, don't ration your passion, fashion your passion. I'm Eli's dad.